Hello students, I hope you all are fine and doing good. So, today I'm your English teacher is here with a new grammar topic. So, without any delay, let's get started into this video. Today our topic is tenses. We are going to learn today tenses. So students, first of all, we need to learn that what is tense. A tense of a verb tells the time of action, event or a state. So basically we can say that tense tells us about the time of action, that when an action is done. Okay students? So, there are three type of tenses. Number 1, past tense, present tense, future tense. Present tense talks about the action that is done in present. Past tense talks about the action that has already been done. Future tense talks about the action that will be done later. So, here we have learned that present tense talks about the action that is done in present. It means the action that is done now. So, past tense talk about the action that has already been done, and future tense talk about the action that will be done later. So, there are four subparts of present tense. First is present indefinite, and we also known it as a simple present tense. Second is present continuous tense. Third is present perfect and present perfect continuous. But today we will learn only one of them. Today we are going to learn only simple present tense. Now we will learn about the use of simple present tense. So, we use simple present tense to express habitual action. Habitual action means your habits. The actions that are in your habits and daily routine. What do you mean by daily routine? Daily routine means the actions that you do on your daily basis. Okay students, for example, he cooks every day. So second use is to express general truth, well-known facts. So what do you mean by general truth? General truth means the truth that can't be changed. And for example, the sun rises in the east. So this is a general truth or well-known fact because we can't change this truth. Third is to express scientific fact. Scientific fact means the facts that are related to science. For example, water freezes at 0 degree Celsius. So this is scientific fact. Next use is we use present tense, simple present tense when we talk about things that always happens, usually happens, often happen, sometime happens or never happen. If you found this word in a sentence, it means the sentence is related to simple present tense, and there you have to fill up the helping verb and main verb of simple present tense. Now we will learn about the rules and structure of simple present tense. So basically there are three type of sentences in tenses. First is affirmative sentence, second is negative sentence, and third is interrogative sentence. So first we will do affirmative sentence. So the structure of affirmative sentence is subject plus verb's first form and verb's first form plus s or es and plus object. So as you can see here, here is no helping verb. Here is only main verb, verb's first form and verb's first form plus s or es. Okay students, and what do you mean by subject? Subject is a doer of action. Who is doing the action in a sentence? He or she will be your subject. And object is a person or thing that receives the action. So now as I told you that here is no helping verb, here is only verb's first form or verb's first form plus s or es. So here we have to know, we need to know that where we have to use verb's first form and where we have to use verb's first form plus s or es. So now look at down. Verb's first form we will use when the subjects are I, we, you, they plural, and we will add s or es with the verb's first form when the subjects are he, she, it singular. Look at the example down. They play football every day. So they is plural, so that's why I have used here only verb's first form. In second example, she plays football every day. So here she is singular, so I will use here s or es with the main verb and it will become plays. She plays football every day. So when the subjects are I, we, you, they plural, we will use verb's first form, and when the subjects are he, she, it singular, we will use verbs s or es with the verb's first form. So now we come to its second type, that is negative sentences. So what are negative sentences? Negative sentences are the sentences which has not in the sentence. So now we talk about the structure. So structure of negative sentence is subject, the doer of an action, do and does, helping verb, not for making it negative, and verb's first form because we always use verb's first form after do and does, and last object. For example, I do not play tennis and he does not play tennis. Both sentences are having not, so that's why these sentences are negative sentences. So now are you thinking that where we should use do and where we should use does? So don't get confused, I will tell you. Do we will use when the subjects are I, we, you, they plural, and does we will use when the subjects are he, she, it singular. So once again look at the examples. I is a subject here, so I have used here do. And next sentence, he is a singular, so we have used here does. I hope you have understood. So students, now we will learn about its third type, that is interrogative sentences. What do you mean by interrogative sentences? Interrogative sentences are the sentences in which we ask questions. So we can make any sentence interrogative by two ways. So first is interrogative by helping verb and interrogative by WH family words. So first we will learn about interrogative by helping verb. So the structure of interrogative by helping verb is we have to use the helping verb at the first, and we know that which helping verb we use in this tense, do or does. So we will use do or does at the first, then subject, then verb's first form, and then object. For example, do I play tennis, or does he play tennis? Next, interrogative by WH words. What do you mean by WH word? WH family words. For examples, who, whom, where, why. These words are called WH family words. So now we will learn about its structure. So we will use here WH family words at the first, then helping verb, then subject, then verb's first form, then object at the last. So for example, when is a WH family word, do is a helping verb, I subject, play main verb, and tennis and question mark. Okay students, next example, when does he play tennis? So when is a WH family word, does helping verb, he subject, play main verb, and tennis is a object. So I hope you have understood the concept of simple present tense. Thank you so much for listening to me, and I hope you got benefits from this video. Thank you and take care.